go. I hope you had fun.
Bye.
Hey, Nana, bye. We're gonna play the video,
Yeah, and
a challenge for the kids, and we're gonna put their faces in the flour, and they're excited to do it. So let's get started.
I'll pat that. I'll pat it, please. Thank you.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
1 cup of flour.
Okay, just 1 cup each.
Hey, I'm trying to pat it. I'm gonna go on the other table and pat it.
Okay, and that's enough. Wait. Hold on. Okay. Okay, that's enough.
Woo!
Hey, wait, don't make a mess, Abe. Okay, let's go sit it in the table, and we're gonna start our challenge. Noah, don't touch it, please.
Whoa! Powder's everywhere. Powder on my shoe.
Who is the baddest?
Shiloh, look at Noah.
Hey, I said don't make a mess, y'all.
Mom, Noah,
Hey, what are you doing?
okay, Shiloh, tie your hair.
Tie your hair. Get ready.
Oh,
Get ready. I said don't touch it, Abe. But me now.
only Noah.
Noah can touch it, but not you, Abe.
Oh, the Shiloh and Naomi cannot.
But me no, please. Abraham.
So ready to put my face on. Mom, hey, Naomi and me are not. We're not making a mess. Those two
Okay.
are. Whoa, it's so cool. Yours is more flat.
Hold on. Okay, I'm about to start.
I'm so
Oh no, it broke. Can you give me the other one?
Oh no, we cannot look cool. I can do
Noah, give me the other one, Charlie.
Okay,
In my
I
bag.
need
Hey, no, what happened to you? Oh no.
Oh no!
Hey.
He looks like a ghost.
Noah, that's enough.
Mommy,
It's in
there's
the
a
bag, Charlie. That's in my bag. Noah, that's enough.
ghost. There's a ghost, Mommy. Mom.
Okay. Salamat.
Hey, why are you touching me?
Don't let him touch it.
He looks like a ghost. Oh no! Oh no!
Hey, be nice. Okay, I'm about to start, so be good.
I guess we didn't need no one ate.
Do a timer? Let's time it. Hey, the timer is 10 seconds.
Who is the sneakiest?
I'm gonna start it. Start recording. 4, 3, 2. Sit down, Abe. Go.
Put our face in it.
Okay.
Who is the meanest?
Venus.
Me!
Who is the loudest?
What, the loudest?
Who is the baddest? Who is the most caring?
Caring.
Who is the sneakiest?
Sneakiest.
Who's the cleanest? Who is the meanest? Who is the loudest?
Loudest.
Who is the baddest?
Oh, it's already
Who
done.
is the most caring? Who is the sneakiest?
Alright, let's make extra questions. Okay, I'm gonna make extra questions.
This is so fun.
Okay. Who's the messiest? Noah. Who's the cleanest?
I think.
Cleanest is Abe.
Why?
Who's the most helpful? Who's the whiniest? Naomi. Who's the
Naughtiest.
naughtiest? Who's the what else? What else do you want to ask? Who's the what else? What else do you want to ask?
I mean,
Okay, what else?
who's the one? Who's the nice shower one?
Who's the cleanest?
Me.
Okay, both of you. What else?
No.
Who's the stinkiest?
Put your face in. Put your face in, eh?
Dave. Who loves to be with Daddy the most?
Me.
Who's very responsible? Shallow.
Papa.
Who's the most studious? Yomi. Who's the most studious?
Put your head. She said.
Most studious. You like to study.
Yomi, it's you.
Who likes to read a lot? Who plays the tablet the most? Shallow. Who's the loudest? No. There you go. No. What else?
Oh, I know who eats more food. Me.
Abe. Who loves rice? Abe, you. Abe. Who loves adobo?
Oh, me. I love the tool.
All of you. Who loves burgers?
Oh, I love that.
What else? What else? Is
Who is the scariest?
Who is the scaredy cat? Shallow. Shallow's a scaredy cat. Who's the bravest?
Oh,
Shallow. Yomi.
Okay, no.
What else?
Oh, who likes to play phone all morning and get scared?
Shallow.
Your hair. Oh, let's put our hair away.
Who's the funniest? Who's the funniest?
Oh, me.
Shallow. Who's the goofiest?
Oh. Who is the naughtiest? Abe.
Abe, put your face in the flower, Abe. Oh no.
Bye.
What's a big mess?
Yeah.
We gotta say bye-bye. Say bye.
Yeah.
We gotta say bye-bye. Say bye. Hope you had fun.
Bye.
Say Nana bye.
Hooray.
So I'm gonna show you guys how our kitchen looks. It's a total mess. So now I gotta clean it up. Here's Nobi. He already took a bath.